Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing, drum roll please, just kidding, that's so extra. I'm going to be doing a Boxycharm versus Ipsy. I did get them both kind of the same time, so I was like, hey, might as well. Obviously Boxycharm's going to win for the value, but I just wanted to show you what I got more than to see what's better. But as you can see, I have my face completely done, but I don't have any eye makeup. That's because I'm going to do a quick little Valentine's Day eye look. I didn't have time to film a full video. I've been working a lot and then I was traveling over the weekend, so here I am doing 2-in-1, but I'm going to be playing with the Huda Beauty palette. I'm just going to be fast forwarding this part just so you can see everything really quickly. It's not going to be like a full-on tutorial, and this is going to be a quick, easy, simple, beautiful look. So here it is, and let's just jump right in. Alright guys, so that is the finished look. Super simple, super quick. I think I used like 3 brushes. Tell me how you guys feel. I feel like it's really cute and fun for Valentine's Day. It could be a date night look with some curled hair. I just have really messy hair. Some bedhead. But whatever. So let's just jump right in. First, of course, I'll start with my all-time fave Boxycharm. Here it is. It always comes in this little box. This month's theme was Afterglow. And if you don't have Boxycharm, I'll link it down below I'll link the website down below, where you can purchase or subscribe to the box. It's a monthly box, $21. It comes with 6 products, full size. 6 or 5, whoopsie. 5 products full size. And then I'm actually a Boxy Luxe member, so next month I'll be getting a big box with, I believe, everything that comes in the little box and 4 more products on top of that. So let's just start with what we got in here. I'm so excited. This is the Clean Bee Pharmacy Gentle Cleanser, which is really cool because I did run out of cleanser. How random is that? And this goes for $22. So this is just worth the 21 bucks that I paid for the whole month, just with that. And then I got No Pore Blem Primer by Touch in Soul, and this goes for $18. I heard a lot of good things about this, so I'm excited to try it. I'll probably do like a full. It has no scent. It feels very like a moisturizer. It is really soft. I don't see any glowing. Let me know if you guys do. I don't. I put it right here. I don't see anything super luminous. Oh, it looks like it has a little bit of glitter in it. Well. And then the next item that we got is Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Highlight. I actually like Pretty Vulgar brand. It is more of an affordable brand. Just kidding. I thought it was very affordable because I always get it in Boxycharm. But this is actually $32. That's crazy. Their packaging is always really cute. If I can open it. I've already scratched it. But it's very pretty. Very like rose peach shimmery. Super pigmented. Let's swatch it. It comes off like gold, like the ombre-y. Very pretty. So excited to try that out. And then we got the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. This goes for $24. And this is a very popular mascara, very loved, I guess you could say. Personally, I'm not a big fan of it because I found that it was smudging under my eye a lot, and I know it says waterproof, and maybe I don't know, it just doesn't work for me. I'll give it another try. I haven't tried it in a long time, so that's cool. This is why I love getting Boxycharm, because I get to try new things, or I get to retry things that I forgot about. So that's fun. The next thing that I got is a Trestique. Oh, it has a primer. Prime and Color Lip Glaze. And it looks like this. Very pretty packaging. It says there's a primer inside. Oh. So this is the lipstick. But what does this do? Oh, and then they always do that. Here is the little primer. This was on the bottom of it. I think that's cool. It has no smell. You guys know me. I'm like really weird with smell. Like I like to smell everything. I'm so weird. It's really pretty. It's more like a gloss. But it is a lipstick. But it's shiny like a gloss. I don't know if you can tell. Anyways, we'll put that away. I always wanted to try a lip primer. I never really like believed in them, so it's just like whatever, you're always gonna have to reapply your lipstick, but that'll be something good to try, so I'm excited for that. Excuse my voice, I'm like recovering from being sick, so. Oh, and that one goes for $25. So that was all 5 items in the box for Boxycharm. And there you are. You have the face wash, the glow primer, Better Than Sex mascara, the lipstick, and the highlight. Woo! Thank you, Boxycharm. Next, we're going to jump into the Ipsy Glam bag. I always love this cute little packaging. I always love seeing it in the mail. I had Ipsy like 2 years ago for like a whole, geez, it's been 3 years. So 3 years ago for like a whole year and a half, and then I just canceled it because I found that I was getting the same stuff over and over, and I didn't feel like it was worth it. And then I heard about Boxycharm, and I was just like, that's for me. So if you're not familiar with Ipsy, it comes, I believe it's $10 a month, and it always comes with a little bag. This bag is probably like the same size as the box, but these are minis. These are like samples. This month they also do a like theme of the month, and obviously this is like very Valentine's, very cute, lipsticks all over, and the bags are actually really good quality, and I always like keep these for like bobby pins, nail polish, weird stuff like that. I'm a hoarder. But their Ipsy theme this month was Swoon So Hard. So yeah, let's see what we got. And this one doesn't tell me the pricing, obviously, because they're samples and these products aren't resellable, I guess. So they don't have a price on them. So in the bag, the first thing that I got, which I'm really excited about because I always wanted to try, is the Pixi Glow Tonic toner. But see how small it is? But I'm really excited to try it because I always wanted it, and at Target it's like $15 or $18, and I could never like bring myself. And then even the full size, so here's the mini, the full size is about like this. It's not very big, and I usually buy the Witch Hazel toner, which is $10, and it's like huge. And my Mario Badescu is like $7, and it's even bigger. So I always was very hesitant to try, but I've always heard that this does really make your skin glow and give you that look, like glowing from within look. So I can't wait to try that. It looks like this is probably maybe like 2-week or week sample, which is good. The next item I see is sorry, I was going to read the name, is Belle and Argent Artour Cream. It's a lip color. It says wear alone for deeply pigmented color, or pair it with our lip lure gloss for a high shine. Add our Vignette lip pencil for ultimate dimension. Well, we don't have any of those, so we'll just swatch this. And then here is what it looks like. And it's in the color I'll Bring Dessert, and it's like a pretty mauve color, and you guys know this is like right up my alley. Anything pink, mauve, nude. Oh, the packaging is so cute. How cute is that? I already like put my fingerprint on it and it's ugly. Well, let's see. Oh, it's a pop off. Oh, so then I was holding it upside down. Beautiful. And then there it is. Ooh, it's very, very pretty. It has like little diamonds on the packaging. I don't know if you can see. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and swatch this next to the other one from Boxycharm. Oh my god, they almost look the same. That's crazy. So here's the one we got in Boxycharm, and here's the one I got in Ipsy. How funny is that? So the Ipsy one is definitely more like shiny, more, I'd say glowy, like illuminating. Very pretty. I don't know if you can tell, like it's so shimmery. Anyways, moving on. The next thing that I want to jump into is this Surmedic Age Control Multi-Vita Skin Mask. And here's what that looks like. This is a Surmedic Sheet Mask Duo. Oh, it comes with the both of them. Yes. I told you guys this before, but I'm like obsessed with sheet masks, but I never wear them. Like I just buy them. Anyway, so you got these two sheet masks, and so this one is the collagen one, and this is the multivitamin one, I'm assuming. Yes. So I'd assume you do them in the same week, but not the same night. But yes, I'm excited to try these. Maybe we'll do like a get unready with me soon. So that is that. And then the next item I see is Daisy and Pearl Natural Radiance Booster. This is Surfine Botanicals. This is, I want to say highlighter. Let's just open it and find out. The packaging is so cute though. It's like watercolor with glitter, pastel colors. Come on, it doesn't want to come out. Here we go. So this is Jeffree Botanicals. There's the packaging, and let's open this baby up. Ooh. So I definitely would probably use, I probably would use this as like a bronzer topper or a blush topper. It looks a little too dark, but let's just swatch it first. Oh, it's actually not that dark. It's very smooth. That's crazy. So there's this finger swatch, and then here is the swatch on my hand. Very hard to see, very subtle. Here's the one from Boxycharm. I don't know if you can see. Let's do this again. Well, if you want like a natural glow, I'd use that one. I'm like I like obsessed with my highlighter, so I need something that's like bam. I don't think this will do it for me, but maybe like on those days where I just want to do like a skincare day, I'd probably like tap this on the highlights of my cheeks just to give me that glow from within. So yeah, I probably would use this on my like natural glowy days, which is very rare. I can't with myself, I'm so annoying. So the next item I received is Mich and Mia Pressed Eyeshadow in Caramel. This is the little eyeshadow, pressed eyeshadow compact. It's not something that like grabs my attention, but it is very pretty. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Ew, it looks like Posh Spice by Jeffree Star. So I went ahead and swatched it right here. Yeah, again, I'm not seeing big payoff on it, but I won't knock it till I try it on my eyes. Maybe this will be for when I do want to do the natural glow again. I'll probably pat this on my eyelids just to give me some color. So that is everything that I got in my Ipsy glam bag. Let me know what you guys think. Have you guys tried Ipsy? Have you guys tried Boxycharm? Did you guys get the same things as me? Have you tried these products? Like, do they work for you? Just let me know. I would love to know. So there's Ipsy, and here's my Boxy. I just love having these subscriptions because it makes me feel like it's my birthday every month. Like, I look forward to getting these and opening them and seeing what I got. Even though I might not use everything, it's always fun to get new makeup, right? Alright, you guys, again, leave me anything down in the comments. I always reply. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of the day. I hope you enjoyed my mini eye look tutorial in the beginning. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Alright, bye. See you guys in the next video.